Growing begonias in water is a simple and effective way to propagate these beautiful plants. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Materials: need a begonia cuttings, clean glass or jar, sharp scissors for pruning, shears, clean water, optional, rooting hormone not necessary, but can speed up rooting steps. To grow begonias in water is: select and prepare cuttings. Choose healthy begonia plants from which to take cuttings. Look for non-flowering stems as they root more readily. Using sharp scissors or pruning shears, cut a stem about 0 inches long. Ensure the cutting has at least denounced places where leaves grow. Remove lower leaves. Remove the leaves from the bottom half of the cutting. This helps prevent the leaves from rotting in the water and directs the plant's energy to root development. It's optional. Apply rooting hormone. IP the cut end of the stem into rooting hormone powder. This step is optional, but can help speed up the rooting process. You place the cutting in water. Fill a clean glass or jar with clean, room temperature water. Andre. The container is tall enough to support the cutting. Place the cutting in the water, ensuring at least 1 or 2 nodes are submerged. Nodes are where the roots will develop. Reposition the container. Place the container in a location with bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can cause algae growth in the water and damage. The cutting may maintain the water level. Check the water level regularly and add more water as needed to keep the knob submerged. Change the water every few days to prevent stagnation and bacterial growth. Monitor for root development. After a few weeks, you should start to see roots developing from the submerged nodes. The roots should be at least a few inches long. Before transplanting, transplanting to soil optional. Once the roots are well developed, you can transplant the begonia, cutting into a pot with soil. If desired, you use a well-draining potty mix and keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged until the plant is established. Hits for success: cleanliness and out. Tools and containers are clean to prevent bacterial or fungal infections. Water quality: use clean, chlorine-free water. If your tap water is chlorinated, let it sit out for hours before using it. Patience: rooting in water can take several weeks. Be patient and avoid disturbing the cuttings during this time. By following these steps, you can successfully grow begonias in water and join the beauty of these plants in a new and interesting way.